What happens to the control of the ones who print your money and start our wars and create problems and offer solutions? What happens to their control when millions of people travel outward?
Strangely enough, there's left in the world today an area as big as the United States that's never been seen by a human being.
He found more land, and then what happened? A few months later, the Antarctica Treaty was formed that says you or I cannot go to Antarctica past a certain parallel without military clearance or under a guided tour.
I think it's quite astonishing that there should be an area as big as that unexplored.
What if Star Wars is true? What if this extraterrestrial, these extra terrains, they're telling us the truth, minus the vacuum of space, because they got to put a Hollywood spin on it, don't they? And they knew this was going to get out. They knew people were going to wake up to this truth. How does that make you feel?
What about the people in Australia? You know, they're standing on the bottom of the globe, won't they fall off? And your teacher says, no,
gravity.
And you go, oh, okay. And you never go back to that question. But when you go back to it as an adult and start looking at it with a critical eye, the whole thing falls apart. It just doesn't make sense. I was into science. You know, I was just a normal bloke, just doing what everyone else does. But then you start seeing things that are wrong.
Many times we can see time-lapse footage of the sun that shows it getting smaller as it moves away from us. That's not always the case, since the sun is travelling around the North Pole. The closer you are to the north, the less you'll see the size change. But from locations beyond the equator, you'll absolutely see the sun's size change. And that could never ever happen if the sun was 93 million miles away.
There's indoctrination right there. And rather than just ignoring them, you know, thinking, oh, I must be stupid, I thought I'd actually look into them and see what I can find out about them. And once you do that, that's the turning point.
Level.
Today we have so-called scientists just telling you that the Earth is a ball. None of it's true. It's all garbage.
Everything you see around you is not what it appears to be.
All lies must be exposed, especially the bigger ones.
This place is special. You're special. You are at the center of the universe.
If we could just wake up our neighbors, the world would change overnight.
Knowledge is power.
The truth about our cosmology isn't hard to comprehend. It's that they never show you our side of the story. This is our story, but this time around, you'll actually be able to hear it.
Started making the videos in 2014, early 2015. Started getting noticed.
You know, you can go out and look for yourself.
The sun isn't millions of miles away.
People are sick of the lies. People are sick of the propaganda. Everything we're told is a lie.
And we are going to dismantle piece by piece the psyop of the globe.
Water finds and maintains level. That's why they call it sea level. It's physics of water.
Come and get on my level. Something's fishy, these fools are shifty. Come and get on my level. They can't trick me, their lies are silly. Come and get on my level. It's a pity they treat us shitty. Come and get on my level. Permanently, we must get busy. Come and get on my level. Yeah, it's risky, but just get with me. Come and get on my level. Can you hear me? Please don't be dreary. Come and get on my level. Don't be wimpy, you people really need to get on my level.
I don't have to argue. I've got Tesla, I've got other great people, great scientists who don't believe, know that the Earth is a flat plane. We are dragging our heels on this matter. I would suggest to these half-truthers, get on these videos, get on the information, study it, do your own research, you lazy bums, because you're dragging everyone else behind. And you're just a lazy, dumbass bums, and you're just mundane idiots. Call yourself truthers. I'm going to go after them all. I'm not going to have any mercy on these idiots. I'm sorry, but they are dragging their heels. And they're disgraceful, absolutely disgraceful. How can you have a target-shaped bullseye, North Pole, time-lapse star trails if you are both rotating and orbiting at the same time? Think, for God's sakes. It's disgusting that you can't even think that one through. It's impossible that we are spinning or moving. Impossible.
The truth will win.
All lies must be exposed, especially the bigger ones. This is the biggest one.
Get a panel of globetards, and I'll take you on single-handedly. Please. Any globetard out there, please.
Level